Ah, what a beautiful rainy day. I love walks in the rain, yet I don't have an umbrella. So I'm just gonna walk with no shoes that fit this walk, no umbrella, and one hoodie that is very warm. And my phone's getting wet from taking this video. Oh look, it's a drain. No clowns here, Mr. Pennywise. Oh shit, now I'm scared. I've scared myself. Oh hell no. This is not. No. Something was behind me. I don't like it. This is no time for a walk. Yet I'm still doing it. What an idiot I am. You know what? I'm the biggest idiot in the world. I'm talking to myself on my phone. And oh, there's a bird. And it's freaking pouring out. It's a wonderful day to take a walk, huh?